The council and the CLO
All
gave us
right,
the
all
tour
right,
of
all
the
right.
place and
So
showed us how
lana
it
sithi ama
operates and how
toilet.
it will look in the future.
Toilet,
Uh-huh.
shower,
Sure.
shower.
All right. I'm sure.
Yeah, this will be for males. This will be for males.
Okay.
And then that one, the first one, that side, it's for disability. Those ones.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
The
it's
big
for-
one.
Yeah, it's for disability. Then this side are our showers, and then this side are our toilets.
Toilets, okay.
Yes. After you exercises there, after playing soccer and
Okay.
everything, you come here, have a hot shower. So we are going to have geysers as well. You
Oh.
know? Yeah, but we are not saying people must no longer back the but we are just saying that we'll have that thing for those who are coming to actually gym and everything, play
Exercise.
soccer, and then you come.
Phela mpethu abanye bethu asinawo amashawa, you must understand. Akuvelanga iChristmas uzinqindi.
You must start there.
Yeah.
Exercise and then come
Yeah.
to the shower.
Uh,
Yeah. Okay.
Uh,
that other one are female.
Yeah,
Yeah, the other side. The other side is females.
right. So these are the toilets at Thokoza Regional Park.
Yeah, show them.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
These are the toilets, yes. Okay.
They are still under construction. We are not yet done.
Done.
But all that we are not done with, I think it will take us something like a month
Yeah.
to complete everything.
Okay.
But we are happy that also the city has approved its financial budget, so it will be things will be much simpler,
Simpler.
and I believe things
For sure you are
will
relieved,
run.
Nemfethu. Bathe mabaphakamisa izandla ngibona abantu baphakama, ngibona abantu eCouncil. Yeah. Yeah.
Then these ones are for ladies, females.
Okay.
Females will be accommodated this side.
Okay.
Also, same as that side, it will be your showers, it will be your toilets as well.
Okay.
And the disabilities as well.
Okay.
Yes, they will be accommodated as well.
This is nice. We can see. You can see, Bafethu. No.
Our councillor
Is working.
is working.
So I'd say it's 70% complete,
Completion,
grand.
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
70% because I can see everything is in order. I know, Bafethu. No, we are happy. This is what service delivery is all about. Yeah.
Yes. No, just that people don't know. Or when they don't see, they think there's no work that's being done in the background.
Sure.
Whereas there's so much work that's being done in the background. Just that people are not aware. But I believe this one, when it open, you'll be here as well. You'll be the one who's taking videos. You'll be the one here. So
Sure.
definitely, it's our place. So yeah.
So I don't know, Councillor, did we talk about the budget of this place? How much was it budgeted for? Or the whole place to complete the whole project? Or it was just accommodated via financial terms?
Actually, this one should be finished. I think when they distribute budget in a various department, they should also distribute the budget for finishing.
Okay.
But the one that we are having now is the one that need to finish all these toilets, paving. Of course, the light we've seen. They've already erected, installed the light. So.
Mhlawumbe sikhulumela ama-sums izibalo mhlawumbe ezingakanani imali mhlawumbe boma 80 30.
No, all in all, let's just say all in all we are talking 17 million.
Okay.
Yeah, 17.
To complete.
Yeah, no, like
all the whole
start,
okay.
from start
Okay,
to
what
finish.
has been spent?
We can say 17.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So,
Not bad.
Not
Yeah,
bad.
it's not bad.
Yeah,
Well,
not
it's
bad.
not bad. Then Councillor mina ngiyabonga, CLO ngiyabonga. Namhlanje ningibonisile ngathora ngashaya itho ekasi. So yeah, I hope nabantu bazobona they'll be happy.
No, let's just show you. We know we might be maybe too much, but we need to show you. We need to show you.
Yeah, sure.
So now we are just going to show you the sand play area.
Okay.
And then after the sand play area, we can show you the guardhouse.
Okay.
Where our securities will be
Okay,
stationed.
okay.
And also then we'll finish with the parking.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yes. So where we are going now is the sand play area.
Okay.
So this area, this will be where maybe if your volleyball, we can play your beach volleyball here. Or if maybe
High jump and
yeah, you and your wife want to come and play with sand.
Yeah.
With your umbrella.
Yeah.
You can come here and then you relax here in the sand. So yes, this is the sand, soft the beach sand. It's actually the beach sand. So we are going to come here. We are going to we are going to play beach volleyball. We are going to come with our women. We relax in the sand. So bikinis as well.
Yeah. Volleyball in jail.
Volleyball, so
It's gonna
this
be
is
fun.
where everything will be happening in terms of your beach volleyball, your beach vibes.
Yeah.
You can say that, yes.
We're bringing badge to the wood.
Yes.
All right.
Then we can move to outside.
To the parking. Okay. Hey bafethu, yeah, ekasi ethokoza, we're gonna have a volleyball bafethu. You can come and enjoy volleyball and be romantic, depending on the mood of the day.
We can somehow start here in the parking area. Yes. And finish there by the guardhouse.
Okay.
Yes. So this is where this is the parking area.
Okay.
As you can see, we have your
Shelters, yeah,
yes,
shelter.
Our cars won't get bent, so this will be the parking area.
So a parking area, maybe how much?
It accommodates 34 cars.
Okay.
So yes, this will be.
So it's free parking, I guess.
It's free parking. It's free parking. But what I'm saying, Kansela, is that when we have big events, we are going to have a slight challenge when it comes to the cars that will be accommodated. We are going to get to a point to say, because of the limited parking that we have, we are going to try. Obviously, we are going to communicate with our community. There's also another park that side, so maybe we can utilize it for that particular day for parking, and then maybe your VIPs, your mayors, they will be the ones that can come in, park these sites. But that challenge will also maybe from time to time will also be addressed as to how we can, because we still have space. So
Yeah, because I can see and I move. You can create a alleyway.
Yes.
Just a drive through nyana, yeah.
So those are such things that we need to propose to the municipality, that we see that we are going to have a challenge. So how about we do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Council uyabona ukuthi kubalekile ke ukuthi siyelo kube umuntu owa around, because umthithi uyazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngento ayazi, uyayi understand the surrounding. Just like the same topic besikhuluma ngayo lapha ku fire station ukuthi kuqashwa ama firefighters ukuthi a drive, then omunye mhlambe neambulance makangene lokushina akazi udelay, but yena i-call uyitholele ngesikhathi, but now problem ukuthi azukungena, yeah. So ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyabonga Councillor. Hayi bafethu, asiyeni to the next one.
The next one is the guard.
The guard room.
Yes, you see, this guard room is a very unique guard room. In fact, in all the government facilities, I've never seen a guard room like this one. Like this one is very unique. It's very special. As you can see, Tuscan tile, your aluminium.
Tuscan
tile.
Yeah.
So
This is the guard room.
so it's very, very, very much unique, this guard room. It's actually a house. For me, I would come with my bed.
And resting.
Yeah, and resting. This is our Madala. He's elder. Yeah, he's our elder.
Uyogadile naye.
Uyogada umzini.
Mdala kunjani? Siyaphila umuntu omdala sibonga ukuthi. Umuntu omdala uligaya.
Oh, eish. Koko.
Koko sangena. Yeah.
This is our cat room. This is our number one.
Yeah. Yeah, kunjani mdala? Yeah, hayi siyabonga bamtshela ukuthi hayi uwosigadile la ugadi indawo ugadi umzila. Yeah. Okay. Hey, bafethu. This is a bathroom bafethu. Toilet kahle. Even a bed can fit here. How bafethu. This is so nice, Mos. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm sure all in all, I think this is what we have for now.
Yeah.
For now, because as Councillor said in the beginning that there are proposals that him and I included. We made some proposals that this is what we need as well. So probably by the time, maybe at the later stage, that proposal will be acknowledged, and then maybe those things will get there, and then we will have more facilities in this area. So
yeah, no, thanks. Lastly, we just urge any community coming from various areas, because as the CLO indicated that it's a regional park, we need to take care of this place. I know Tohoza Kali resident, they take care of it. So all of us, it's our property, it's our place, and young people, they might do some galantinas and so forth and so forth. There are a number of things that they might do it. I thank you very much.
Danke, Councillor.